Hello, everybody. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. I welcome all of you to my channel. Thank you so much for hopping on. I really appreciate all of my returning subs as well as my new subs. Okay, as you all know, I am a prepper and I do grocery hauls, I do reviews, food reviews and other reviews. And when I say I am a prepper, I have always kept food in my pantry. I have an abundance of food in my working pantry, and I have a small amount in my survival pantry. So some people are saying, some folks frown on prepping, but why? My mother did it, my grandmother. Now I will tell you, I do not have 25 years of survival preps. I do not have 10 years even, not even 5 years, but I do prepare. That's all prepping means, is to prepare, and that is what I've always done, and that is what I will continue to do, because we never know what's going to happen next. And my mom and grandmother always said, prepare for a rainy day, not just your foods, but your meds, your money, the little money that you can throw to the side. Even that, if it's no more than $5 a week, just prepare for a rainy day. And that is what I have always tried to do since I've been an adult. So I trust God, first of all. I trust God with everything. I trust Him with my whole life. I know He is my provider. He's always been my provider. And I don't sell that short. And it's not that I don't trust God, it's that I use wisdom, okay? So here we are, and yes, I am a prepper. And I may not have preps like some people, as I said, 25 years, 10 years, and all of that, but I do prepare. And if someone else is not prepared in my family or maybe my friend and they need something, I have supplies and different things that I will help them with, as well as food. So let's get on to why we're here today. I am here to do 2 or 3 reviews on some candy. And this is what I have. I have the Kit Kat Strawberry, okay? Kit Kat, and it is dark chocolate. Now, I like dark chocolate, and I think there are benefits in the dark chocolate from what I have researched. So I'll be doing a taste test on this. And I have the Mint dark chocolate of Kit Kat. And then I'm going to do this. This is a Quest nutrition bar. So I'm going to do a taste test. I've never tasted either of these. Now I love Kit Kat, and I do like dark chocolate. Well, you all will know whether or not Tyler likes it. His face will tell it all, but we will get started. And let me give you some facts about the Kit Kat Strawberry. It has 12 grams of fat, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, 20 milligrams of sodium, and it has 210 calories per serving per package. And here it is. So let's open this one. And this is Strawberry Dark Chocolate, and it has the crisp wafers that's in the strawberry. So let's just open this and see what it tastes like, and let you see what it's looking like. Oh, it has that color, that strawberry, and it has the dark chocolate. As I said, I like dark chocolate. Do you like dark chocolate, Tyler?
I prefer milk chocolate.
Okay, so we will see. Here it is. You taste that, and we're going to see if you like it. And I'm going to let the people know if I will purchase it again. It smells a little bit like strawberry. I like it, and I would buy it again. Well, as I told you, I like dark chocolate. Do you like dark chocolate? Oh, well, you said you don't like dark chocolate, but do you like that?
It don't too much really have
It doesn't what?
It doesn't too much really have a taste to me.
Oh, well, I like it.
I give it a 6.
I like it, and I would buy it again, and I would give it a 10 because I like it. Okay, this is the mint chocolate. I have not had either one. I do like the milk chocolate, but I like dark chocolate, as I said. Let's see what it tastes like. It's a larger bar than the other one. Oh, did I give you the, wait, let me give you the facts first. I'm sorry. Okay, in this one, it is a larger pack. It has 160 calories per serving, 9 grams of fat, 20 milligrams of sodium, and 0 milligrams of cholesterol. And here it is. So, let me see here. Pretty mint green, dark chocolate on the back. So, let's see what it tastes like. I taste a little mint. I think I taste more mint in this one than I did the strawberry in the other. I really like it. I like it. If I had to choose between the strawberry and the mint, I would definitely choose the mint.
Me too.
The mint, I will give 10 as well, but I like the strawberry. So I will give both a 10. What would you give the mint, Tyler?
A 9.
Okay, fair enough. Now this is one, Quest Nutrition Bar. Let's see what this tastes like. Peanut chocolate crunch flavor. And it has 210 calories and total fat 15 grams, sodium 160 milligrams, and 0 cholesterol. So, those are the nutrition facts. Let me you see what this one tastes like. This is a snack bar. Peanut chocolate crunch. And this is what it looks like. So, it's a little hard. I'm just going to just take a little bite of this. Excuse me, y'all. Peanuts are getting in my throat.
I like it. I give it a 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Well, I would have to say I would give it an 8 as well. It's pretty good. So, this completes our review. And I thank you all so much for tuning in. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to be reminded of future uploads. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for supporting my channel. Without you, I could not do it. So I appreciate all of you. And this is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen. And this is my sidekick, Tyler, my grandson, who helps me out sometimes. We will talk to you guys later. Bye.